Why did the Braves move to SunTrust Park? Image argument by Miles Rosenthal. Turner Field. The Atlanta Braves played at Turner Field from March 29, 1997 to October 2nd, 2016. Over the years, the Braves never won a World Series at the stadium. The franchise won at Atlanta Fulton County Stadium in 1995, which is no longer standing and is now a parking lot. Bathroom. The field was constructed for track and field events from the 1996 Olympic Games and was later remodeled as a baseball park in time for the 1997 Major League season. In 2013, the Braves announced they were to move out of downtown Atlanta and into Cobb County. In 2015, a group of developers and Georgia State University won a bid to turn Turner Field into a southern expansion of Georgia State's campus and a privately held commercial hub. The new plan converts the field into Georgia State's new football stadium. Why did the Braves move? The Braves' lease at Turner Field, which is owned by the city of Atlanta, ended in 2016, resulting in the Braves not wanting to extend their lease. The team has invested nearly $125 million into Turner Field since its opening in 1997. $150 million in infrastructure work, such as replacing seats and upgrading lighting, was required. None of these upgrades would enhance the fan experience. There was also inadequate parking and mass transit to the baseball park, poor access to major roadways, and the Braves did not have control to outside development surrounding the park. SunTrust Park. The Braves have built a world-class Major League Baseball stadium, SunTrust Park, and have integrated mixed-use development on 60 acres at the northwest intersection of I-75 and I-285. The cost of the stadium was roughly $672 million. The Braves were a significant investor along with SunTrust Bank and the Cobb County. SunTrust Stadium has many amenities, such as the Battery, with many restaurants, retail, and hotel options for ballpark goers where they can go eat and stay. The decline of the Summerhill neighborhood. The Summerhill neighborhood was where Turner Field was in South Atlanta. After the Braves left Turner Field, the surrounding area seemed to be set up for success. 100 townhomes were built around the area, priced for $300K to $700K. Student housing was also built for Georgia State students. Larry Covings, a student studying to get his barber's license, felt like they are going to move out all the regular people who stay here. Robert Pitts, a 37-year-old construction worker, said, "They're taking all the money out of here and moving it to Cobb County." Some residents lost income selling their property as a parking space during the game. There has been a recent incline of the Summerhill neighborhood. The Summerhill neighborhood is the neighborhood surrounding the Turner Field Park in South Atlanta. A 12-year-old resident said him and his friends have lost interest in the Braves and no longer find a connection with the team. He said, "It's dull now," referring to the nightly excitement in his area, hearing fireworks on some nights. Now you don't hear a thing. Some residents found relief with no more illegally parked cars lining the streets nightly. Crime has since been declined, as fans are no longer a target. Change for the better. There has been plans implemented to make the Summerhill neighborhood a healthy community again. MARTA has plans to extend their rails connecting the Summerhill neighborhood to Midtown Atlanta. Gentrification has occurred, with new, higher-income families settling into the area.
Some blacks are leaving with new higher taxes, chasing them out. Economic growth. The construction of the stadium brought more than 5,227 jobs, with a total payroll of over $235 million. $18.9 million net to the Cobb County and its schools due to the development of SunTrust Park in the Battery. Hotels have been built to house visiting fans, bringing money to our city. Walter Banks. Walter Banks is an usher of 50 years. Began ushering in 1965 with the minor league Atlanta Crackers. This was the first season of play at Atlanta Fulton County Stadium. He has seen numerous Hall of Famers come through, also witnessing the Braves win the 1995 World Series title. People may forget the score of the game or the food they ate at the ballpark, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Wise words of Walter Banks. The Braves have partnered with Uber to give Walter Banks a ride to the new stadium. This is how I, Miles Rosenthal, identifies with the Atlanta Braves. I identify with Atlanta and the Atlanta Braves. I am a fifth-generation Atlantean. My great-grandfather grew up only minutes away from the Atlanta Fulton County Stadium and watched or listened to almost every game in his lifetime. My family currently watches the Braves nightly. We attend a Braves game for my grandmother's 80th birthday. And then here's my works cited, many sources. Thank you and have a nice day.